Hare Krishna. Welcome to the fourth lesson of Mridanga learning. In the last lesson, we learned how to play Dha Gi Te The Na Ge Dhin. So it is Dha Gi Te The Na Ge Dhin. And when you learned it, it sounded like Dha Gi Te The Na Ge Dhin. Dha Gi Te The Na Ge Dhin. Dha Gi Te The Na Ge Dhin. So in today's lesson, you will be learning one more beat. This beat is fast, only used in the fast one, but it's kind of like, according to me, it's kind of similar to Dha Gi Te The Na Ge Dhin. So let's get started. The beat that we are going to learn today is Dhin Ta Ta Ti Ge Dha Ta. So the two beats, Dha Gi Te The Na Ge Dhin, Dhin Ta Ta Ti Ge Dha Ta. So Dhin Ta Ta Ti Ge Dha Ta only has some less beats, but Dha Gi Te The Na Ge Dhin has some more beats. So let's get started. And they also sound the same thing. So let's get started. So the first beat is Dhin. This beat is new, and like as you know, Dha is Ge and Ta. So this Dhin will be Ge and Ti. So again, Ge and Ti. So then you combine that, and that will be Dhin, Dhin, Dhin. So that's the first beat. And then the second beat, which is like Dhin Ta Ta. So it will, this one, it is a little strange in this part, but it's not so hard. So this Ta, Dhin Ta, so it will just be a normal Ta, the Ta. One finger open from the right side. So it will be Dhin Ta, Dhin Ta. So then the third beat, it says Dhin Ta Ta. But the third beat, you should make it bold. If you're writing it down, you should like make it bold, like underline it, or like write them in big capital letters, because the second Ta in this mantra is not really the same exact Ta. It is a Ta and a K. So it will be two, K and a Ta. So it will be like Ta, Ta. So you can also call it Kha. Like in the second lesson, it is Kha. Kha Ti Ge Dha, Ti Ge Dha, Ti Ge Dha, Dha. Ta, Ti, Tiri, Tiri, Ta. So the Kha is K, K and Ta. So Kha, you can call it Kha and Ta, or Tak, maybe. I'm not sure for that one. So you can call it Kha and Ta. But when you are writing Ta down and you actually mean Ta and K, then you should probably underline it or write in capital letters. So it is Dhin Ta Ta. So again, remember, it is K and Ta. Dhin Ta Tha. Oh yeah, and another name for Kha or Ta, the bold one, can also be Tha. So you can also say Dhin Ta Tha. Dhin Ta Tha Ti Ge Dha Ta. So then Dhin Ta Tha. And then the rest part is a little bit confusing again. Like when I was practicing it and learning it, this part was the most confusing. So it is Dhin Ta Ta, and then it is Ti, Ti, and then Ge, then dha, which is ta, ta, and ge. So ti ge dha and then ta. So then ti ge dha ta, ti ge dha ta. So it will be a whole mantra. When you combine it, it will sound like Dhin ta ta ti. No, sorry. Dhin ta ta ti ge dha ta. Dhin ta ta ti ge dha ta. So then again it will be di, then ge, then dha, ta, and ge, dha, and then ta. So it will be ti ge dha ta. And also ti ge dha ta is the same thing as in the last lesson we learned dhagi tathe na ge dhinna. So na ge dhinna was the same thing. Na ge dhin, which was dha basically, dhinna. And then this is also ti ge dha ta. So it's just the same thing. At that time when I was learning Dhin ta ta ti ge dha ta, I did not know dhagi tathe na ge dhinna. Or if I would knew it, I could have I could have got dhagi, Dhin ta ta ti ge dha ta more easily. So now if we combine that, it sounds like Dhin ta ta ti ge dha ta, 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 Dhin ta ta ti ge dha ta. And also one part, when you're playing this in Kirtan, it kind of sounds like you're only playing a khe and then two ges. It only sounds like that. Or like sometimes it can also feel like it feels that you're just playing that, but actually you're playing a different thing. So it sounds different than what you're playing. So there's these, the ge dha, so ti ge dha ta. So the ge dha in that goes like, it goes really quick, and then you don't make the noise so big and it sounds like one. I think that's how I have realized. So then and then when you're playing really fast, so listen to my left side's noise. So you're actually playing Dhin ta ta ti ge dha ta. So when you're playing it fast, it goes like, and then sounds like one, because there's barely any space, like about 10 milliseconds space. So now let's practice it. So we'll go slow, medium, and then fast. And then just for an exercise, we're going to go in super fast, because sometimes you play it so fast. And I just wanted to say that the one that you're going to be learning in lesson 5 will be instead of playing in your right side ti ta ta ti ta ta ti ta ta ti ta ta, you'll actually playing, it will only be ti ta instead of ti ta ta ti ta ta ti ta ta ti ta ta ti ta. So it will so in this mantra you should have noticed that you only play ti ta ta 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 ti, like ti ta ta ti ta ta. It's just a pattern. You play two ti ta tas in one mantra. Dhin ta ta ti ge dha ta. So you only play two ti ta ta in one mantra. So let's practice in slow, fast, slow, medium, fast, and then super fast, just for an exercise. Dhin ta ta, dhin ta ta ti ge dha 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 ta. So we can go into the medium speed now. Dhin ta ta ti ge dha ta, 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 dhin ta ta ti ge dha ta. Now we're going to go fast and then super fast. So now let's go to fast. Dhin ta ta ti ge dha ta, 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 dhin ta ta ti ge dha ta. So this is just for exercise, the super fast speed, or I can do it ultra fast speed in the end. So it will be dhin ta ta ti ge dha ta, 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 dhin ta ta ti ge dha ta. This is just the ultra fast speed. You don't really have to do this. So that's the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hare Krishna. And this is the end of lesson 4. Hare Krishna.